Deep in the mountains, there lived families of bears and tigers, while down in the village below, people resided. The bear and tiger families always struggled through the harsh winter, enduring hunger and cold due to a lack of food. The bear family pondered deeply on how to survive the harsh winter without succumbing to hunger and cold. They decided to hunt diligently during the autumn, storing up enough food to sustain them through the winter months, during which they would hibernate in their cave. Conversely, the tiger family, unable to bear hunger, ventured out to hunt even in the cold and hunger of winter. However, on the last day of autumn, both the bear and tiger families learned about the lives of the people living below in the village. One day, while wandering the forest in search of food, they were drawn by joyful laughter and music near the village, where they met beautiful and happy people who welcomed them warmly and shared their food. Seeing the seemingly carefree happiness of the villagers, the bear and tiger families asked them why they didn't worry about food and yet seemed so happy. To this, the people replied that they didn't worry because they were human. When the bear and tiger families asked if they could also live without worrying about food and enduring the cold of winter, the people said they didn't know. When asked who they should ask if they could become like humans, the people pointed to the sky and taught the bear and tiger families how to pray to the sky. The bear and tiger families learned to pray to the sky and earnestly prayed every day whenever they had the time. One day, a messenger from the sky came to them, teaching them how to become like humans. The process seemed simple to the bear and tiger families. The bear family was told not to hibernate during the winter and to eat only the herbs brought by the people, while the tiger family was instructed not to hunt during the winter and only eat the herbs provided by the people. The bear family endured the cold winter without hibernating and sustained themselves on the bitter herbs brought by the people. However, the tiger family, unable to bear the taste of the herbs, eventually went out to hunt for their favorite food. As time passed, a severe cold enveloped the world, freezing everything in its wake. The tiger family, unable to find food, succumbed to hunger and reflected on their impatience. They regretted not enduring one winter and eating the bitter herbs brought by the people, realizing that they could have become happy humans. Eventually, they all perished in the eternal realm of death. The bear family, now happy humans, mourned the eternal death of the tiger family and felt sorry for them. Thus, the happy human bear family began sharing their story and the story of the tiger family with many animals who wished to become human. They learned that to become happy and beautiful humans, they must endure the time of eating the bitter and tasteless herbs brought by happy people. Afterward, many animals endured the time of eating the bitter herbs brought by people with patience, becoming happy and beautiful humans.